Good day, everyone. Now we need to wrap up. It's 3:04 p.m. Eastern Time, 11 January, Wednesday. Please read the CFTC, and there is winning and losing in this business, and we cannot guarantee any future success to anyone. I want to cover what happened today. If we are look at the YM today, the same thing has happened a few days ago on the 30-year Treasury bond, where all the 30-year Treasury bond on the 4 different charts, 2 different auto trade, it was 3 out of 4 did not make it. And if we are looking today on the YM, all the way did not make it. So if we are looking on a 150 ticks on the B scalper on the upper corner here, you can see the YM went down 330, and on the YM on the B scalper based on a 1 minute also is almost the same amount, 290. We had a very nice run on the 150 ticks, and then we had a really brutal day on the YM with a 1 minute, and then the market is doing pretty well, and then once you hit the target you can right click and reload, and then you let it run one more time. The same thing has happened a few days ago, where the 30-year Treasury bond was in the red, crossed the border, except one market analyzer, where today the 30-year Treasury bond is doing extremely well. So that tells you sometimes even on the NT8 all the market has hit, but except also the YM is struggling, and it is really like, this is an example. Let me try to drag one of the trades. The CL has hit it, DAX hit it, ES hit it, CL hit it, and look at the YM in and out of the market and struggling all day long. So that tells you it's not the auto trade, it's this market today. It's not giving anything today. On the future, we have an entry on the ES at 62.25. It hit 19 ticks, and that system here you can use on an ATM or fully automated. You can decide, but it's the same entry, and then you decide if you wanted to go on fully automated, or you can use it as an ATM auto trade. NASDAQ, we have an entry at 50.25, and then it tells you where is the target. The target is 50.50, 60 ticks, and then it tells you the trailing stop. The trailing stop is basically a re-entry point, and there are a resistance or a support line. The YM, we have an entry today. All those market analyzers, they are based on one contract and based on 1 minute only. Is based on 1 minute only and one contract only. And we have the YM 821, target 901, EMD 684 as an entry, an exit on 68.1.9. I'm sorry, this is the entry, and then the exit is 87.3. That gives you 14 ticks. The DAX, we have an entry today, buy at 627, and then a target at 669.5, 40 ticks. And then the 30-year Treasury bond, we are on the sale mode right now, and the target is 52.16. Total of net ticks is 221. Also, we were a little bit struggling today. There is a lot of news in the air on the Forex, where right now there is only 93 pips, but the euro dollar today, it was something else, and I will cover it in a second. One of the most runner today, middle of the day, is the Home Depot, and we had an entry today on 135.23, and then where is the target? Okay, here's the target. We have an entry today on the Home Depot, 135.23, and then exit at 135.94. And then Johnson & Johnson, we already covered it a few hours ago, Microsoft, and now they are a little bit in red. Earlier today, I covered a little bit about the euro dollar, and I'm going to keep my eye on the euro dollar. Let me cover a little bit to update you what's happening in the euro dollar here. if we can get those out of the way. When earlier today I made a video and we had a breakout. Let me get this one out of the way. And we had a breakout right there at 49 level, and I was expecting today on this is 240 minutes. I was expected today the euro dollar to drop to the 408 or 4083, somewhere around that level, where is the target 2, and this is a major support, and it is verified by a lot of support area in this area here, 409.8. Then the euro dollar dropped to the first support line. The first support line is down to the tick, followed by signal reversal, the R7 here. This is a reversal, and as you see here, there is an R7. Here is an R7. Those are reversal. Those are and they do not repaint. Again, those reversals do not repaint. Those reversals, they are there and they do not repaint. So we have a reversal right at the support line. And then we are on back to square one with the euro dollar. And that will be some fun for the Forex traders tomorrow, because we had a rejected here the first time, the second time, and the third time. We called it on the 2 videos before. And now we are, if you notice, we touched that resistance line at 84.6. Look, to the tick. And now we pulled back, and then we going back to retest this line. And that will be very interesting to see tomorrow what is the outcome. And for many days, we still on the same target, and the same target is 31.3. So if we have a breakout here again, the only things we can do, wait on the support line and your personal chart, and you find the proper entry. But there is nothing at the moment holding that market from the 84 level, 84.8, all the way to 29.2. This is a lot of peanuts in this trade. So that will be very interesting to see how that market is going to play tomorrow on that trade. That will be really, really interesting. Folks, that's all what we have. Please play it safe. Do trading as much as you can, because this business, you have to put some work in it. Wish you a pleasant day, and please try to be safe for the next few days. We have a lot of wild news coming out. Thank you.